Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to talk about Azure Data Factory components, or we can say top level concepts or building blocks of Azure Data Factory. So basically, these are the building blocks of Azure Data Factory: link services, datasets, activities, pipelines, triggers. So let's try to understand this with the help of flow diagram. So basically, you have link service, datasets, activities, pipelines, triggers. So link service is nothing. It is just a connection string. Connection string to connect the data from multiple sources. So it may be CSV, it may be SQL, any of the database, or it may be cloud. So link service is similar to connection string. So let me give you example the connection string. So what generally you do in connection string, or we can call this link service. You provide the server details, server name basically, and then the username, and before username, database name, and username and password. So these things generally you provide. So this is basically the link service or connection string when you connect with any of the database. Once you connect with the database, then you have to import the data. So you will get the data. So that is basically data set. Suppose you are importing data from one of the CSV files, so your CSV would be your data set. And once your CSV come into the Azure, then you can do different activities. So activities is basically you can do any transformation. You can copy the data. So copying data is one activity. You are maybe executing stored procedure in another activity. You are doing lookup is another activity. So these are the activity, and we can say combination of different activities is pipeline. So pipeline is basically a combination of we can say link services, data sets, and activities. So let's say you will import the data, and then you will do certain activities. So certain activity means you will fetch the data, extract the data, and will do transformation and then load the data. So this whole process, this is a unit of work, is called pipeline. Okay. Once your pipeline is created, now you have to refresh it on daily basis to get the current data. For that, we have triggers in Azure Data Factory. Using triggers, you can schedule your pipeline. So this is the one DFD, and you can see another data flow diagram to understand. So let's say you have one CSV file in the below storage, and with the help of link services or connection string, you have connected, and you will get the data set in the format of CSV. After that, you are using copying activity to copy the data and then moving data into the destination. So this is the activity, basic copy activity. And again, now you need link services connection string to to load the data into the destination in the SQL table. This whole process is called pipeline. Okay, once this will be done, then you are good to schedule your pipeline. So that's it about this video, and I request you to please like and subscribe my channel to get these type of videos. So we'll create more videos one by one, and I will cover scenario based example as well. Thank you everyone.